Good morning. Welcome back to our classes. We have stopped our classes on osmosis. Today on page number 60, the definition of osmosis in the first paragraph. Osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, that is in the cell, to a region of low water concentration. In your book, three types of osmosis are given. The first one, this is the first one, hypotonic. First one, okay. Example I have taken, for example, I have taken sago balls and the green gram and red gram. If I pour water in this, then what happens? The water goes in. So in short, if you want to remember hypotonic, you can say when water goes in the cell and cell swells. You can see the cell swells. Swell means here. Actually these are all plant cell and cell swell, so ये इनका वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है. Okay, similarly if I am taking green gram, then also see the increase in volume, फूल जाते हैं, increase in volume of the cell. Now according to the science, what happens when you pour water, the concentration of water outside the cell, outside means इसके बाहर, ये पानी से घिरा होता है, outside the cell is high and inside the cell it is less. So water from out to in, it goes from out to in through a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane, which is a cell membrane, plasma membrane, that you will study later on. No, we have finished that plasma membrane. So in this what happens, when the water concentration outside is higher than the water concentration inside, then water goes in the cell. Actually from both the water, leaving water process is going on from out to in and in to out, but where is more high water concentration is outside. This is surrounded by high water concentration, so water goes in, and in this process, in this hypotonic process, cell swells. cell फूल जाते हैं, मतलब उसके अंदर पानी जाता है, तो cell swells. Okay, let us go for the next two. Second one is isotonic. Isotonic, if the medium has exactly the same water concentration as the cell, there will be no net movement of water across the cell membrane. Such a solution is called isotonic solution. Now I wanted to show you this sabzi mandi wala scene. Okay, you might have visited sabzi market, vegetable market. In that, what vendor is doing, if there is more heat, what vendor is doing, they sprinkle water. They sprinkle water within a duration of time. Why do they sprinkle water? So that they can maintain the water level out and water level in. If they don't maintain, if they don't sprinkle water, it will shrink and it will be useless. So to maintain the water level in the vegetables, they sprinkle water. Similarly, when we put the vegetables in fridge, what is going on? Which osmosis is going on? Isotonic. So that it remains fresh for a long time. Water crosses the cell membrane. In this what happens? The water comes out as well as water goes in. So what if we sprinkle water? Due to heat, what happens? Water comes out from the vegetables. Water comes out. But if we sprinkle water, then what happens? We are maintaining the water level in the vegetables. So net movement becomes zero. It nullifies. Water comes out, same water we pour, then it remains fresh for a long time. Water crosses the cell membrane in both direction, out and in both direction. But the amount going in is the same as the amount going out. I sprinkle the water, then what happened? The amount going in is same as the amount comes out because of more heat, because of evaporation. So there is no overall movement of water. The cell will stay at the same size. ऐसा नहीं कि नींबू बहुत बड़ा हो गया, ये गुवार फली बहुत बड़ी होगी. Not like this way. It remains same. It remains same means हमारे लिए the vegetables remains fresh. Same way we are keeping vegetables in fridge to keep the vegetable fresh for a longer time. So this type of osmosis is what we say isotonic. The third one is hypertonic. Hypertonic, water comes out. Okay, water out. Inside high and outside it is lower. So H2O comes out. If the medium has lower concentration of water than a cell, this is a cell. If I take cell, then a cell. If the medium has lower concentration, medium, this is a medium, Okay, medium is a lower concentration of water than the cell, meaning that it is very concentrated solution. Then it is very concentrated solution, the cell will lose water. वहाँ से पानी निकल आता है, बाहर निकल आता है. Okay, if you keep vegetables out, not in fridge, but if you keep vegetables out, after some days what will happen? The water in the vegetable will come out and it becomes shrink, means cell will shrink in this. In hypertonic, cell shrink because water which is present inside comes out. Such a solution is known as hypertonic. Again, water crosses the cell membrane in both direction. Again in both direction, out to in and in to out. But coming out is more than that of going in. Therefore, the cell will shrink. Okay, I'll show you photograph of one vegetable only. I cannot arrange it more, but only picture of one vegetable in which water comes out. If you keep one day, or some, for example, leafy vegetable, spinach and all, if you keep, then directly the water comes out. It looks not so fresh. See, this is a fresh spinach we can see, and this is the from here water comes out. Okay, this is not fresh, this is fresh. So if we keep it outside, what happens? The water present in the vegetable will be coming out due to hypertonic. And when through vegetable water comes out, it becomes like this way, which is not fresh. Okay.